The Russell is taking a risk-off tone. Hello, everyone. I'm Angela Miles with the Russell Report. The Russell reached a high earlier this month at 2,458. This week, the Russell has tumbled about 2% as traders and investors are concerned about the headwinds in the market, including the Fed getting ready to taper this month. The small caps hit a high on Monday of 2,421, plateaued, and then trended lower. I mentioned last week that contrarian options traders were likely to come into the market with put positions to protect their portfolio gains. Well, coming into today, the puts were more active than calls. Let's take a look at some of those that were active on Thursday. The traditional December and February puts active at the 2,350 strike, along with the 2,200 and 2,210 puts. In the Christmas weeklies, a trader came into the market with a put spread, selling the 2,100 puts, buying the 2,070 puts. That put spread could suggest the Russell might be in for a pullback at the end of the year, which could mean rough sledding for Santa. In another trade, we want to take a look at the in-the-money traditionals that were active at the 2,570 puts strike and the 2,560 puts. Those were active. The December puts I've mentioned have been really starting to kick up here on the call side. The weeklies expiring today at the 2,350 and 2,360 strikes are active. The straddle for Friday suggests a move of under 1% for today in the Russell, but the straddle for next week, Thanksgiving week, when trading might be lighter, there's about a 2% move projected there. That move could be up or down. The RVX has been in a tight range this week between 24 and 22. That might be one of the tightest ranges that we've seen all year for the RVX, which measures implied volatility in the Russell. In the mini Russell options, yesterday, interesting trade going on here. 2 calls trading for every 1 put in the minis. The minis tend to be popular with retail traders because it's a more bite size of the bigger Russell. In one strategy, someone sold some calls, the 240 calls expiring today. Someone sold those calls for 30 cents, 37 times, taking in somewhere around $1,000. That trader seems to be long the underlying, looking to make money if the mini Russell remains at the predicted level or goes lower. Protection seems to be the theme in the market. I'm Angela Miles, and I'll see you next week.